Welcome back to Vinteractive. In this training session, we'll show you how you can delight your newest wine club members with a personalized welcome sequence from PreferencePro. In this video, we'll look at the benefits of automated welcome messages for both consumers and wineries. You'll learn how to customize your own wine club welcome sequence, and if you've already written the messages you want to send, you'll see how PreferencePro's conversation generator can turn your work into an automated welcome sequence in minutes. The benefits of automated welcome messages include better customer engagement and more direct sales without growing your workload. According to the latest research, 74% of consumers expect a welcome message when they do business with new merchants. And retailers who deliver a timely welcome message are rewarded with 40% more customer engagement. Since customer welcome messages are delivered at the peak of consumer interest, it's no wonder that automated welcome messages generate 4 times more opens and 5 times more clicks than typical email campaigns. And for wineries in particular, automated welcome sequences generate 17 times more revenue per name than typical email blasts. That's why customer welcome messages are important for any winery. To set up your own automated wine club sequence, first log in to your admin control panel. Select the authoring menu. Scroll down to Event Triggered Messages and click on Conversations. Here you'll see PreferencePro's exclusive library of conversation templates that you can quickly customize for your winery. Since PreferencePro works directly with many commerce systems, the fastest way for some wineries to launch a wine club welcome campaign is to start with a conversation template built specifically for their POS system. You can also trigger most of the conversations in PreferencePro manually. So any POS system that can generate basic reports can also benefit from automation using PreferencePro's conversation templates. In this example, we'll customize a new subscriber wine club welcome message for WineDirect customers. And we'll start by opening the conversation in PreferencePro. Here in PreferencePro's unique conversation generator, you'll see a blueprint of the steps used to automate your interaction. If you look closely, you'll see a conversation trigger, a 10-minute wait, an automated message, a 7-day waiting period, and a follow-up message. If you like this structure and think it'll work for your wine club, the next step is to customize the conversation for your winery. To begin editing your own conversation, here's a pro tip. Always start by saving a copy of PreferencePro's pre-built template. To make a copy of any conversation in PreferencePro, click on the Save As icon and enter a new name. And if you want to organize your conversations, click on Conversation Properties, where you can save your conversation in any folder you want. Once you've saved your conversation, you'll want to confirm 3 things: the trigger, the timing, and the content of your conversation. To confirm the trigger used to start your conversation, click on the trigger icon. The default trigger in PreferencePro is a manual data upload, which means your Wine Club welcome sequence will start as soon as you upload the names of your new Wine Club members. This template also includes an external event called WineDirect Automated Feed, which means your Wine Club welcome sequence starts whenever new names are uploaded from WineDirect. If you ever want to change the trigger for your thank you conversation, just remove the old trigger or add a new trigger in PreferencePro. Many conversation triggers in PreferencePro also use filters to target just the right customers. And in this pre-built conversation, customers are filtered based on their Wine Club status and anniversary date. If you want to customize these filters for your campaign, you can do it right here. After confirming your conversation triggers, next review the timing of your messages. In our pre-built campaign, your first email is sent 10 minutes after the conversation was triggered. If you want to send your first message right away, you can delete this step or edit the lag time built into your conversation. If you make any changes, just remember to save your work. If you're sending multiple messages, the best practice is to follow a regular pattern, like once a week or once a day. So in this example, the second message is sent 7 days after the first message. But if you want to change the tempo, you can do it here. And once you're happy with the cadence of your conversation, it's time to customize your messages. To edit the messages used in your welcome sequence, click on the first message included in the template. From here, you can use our default template as a starting point if you want. You can create a new message from scratch, or if you've already saved a new message, you can add it to the conversation by clicking Edit a Saved Message. This is my favorite way to add a new message to any conversation. If you use PreferencePro's Composer authoring system to design and save your custom message, you can select it here, make any final changes, commit your message to the conversation, and save your changes. And if you want to add more messages to your conversation, it's easy to do. Just add a couple of steps. First, we'll add a wait step and set its duration. Then we'll add another custom message. Commit it to the conversation, and save your work. And at any time in the process, you can save your work without launching your campaign simply by clicking on the back button. Then when you're ready to get back to work, open the conversation to finish editing. When you're done editing your conversation, you're ready to test and launch your new automated conversation. To learn more, visit us at www.vinteractive.com or search help.listtrack.com for answers and expert advice for getting the most out of PreferencePro.